So I'm in the middle of warming up some frozen Yorkshire puddings in the air fryer using the giant ones, and I just wanted to show you a really quick trick for using it as your base for your Yorkshire pudding wrap, rather than having to make a fresh batter in a pan to make it with. This is the cheats method. Oh yes, we've got some texture to the bottom now. You can hear that, it's so much better. So there you have it. That is just a quick and easy way to cook frozen giant Yorkshire puddings in the air fryer. So why have I got a rolling pin, you may be wondering. You're probably wondering more, why does my rolling pin look like that? It's one of the kids' ones and it's just a perfect size sometimes for things I'm doing. So, rolling pin, brilliant for turning your giant Yorkshire pudding into a wrap. So you just want to press down on it with the rolling pin and then gently roll it like I'm doing now. And now it's flattened and it rolls perfectly for a wrap. So for filling, I'm using some of my savoury mince with some mashed potatoes. So think of it like cottage pie wraps. Cottage pie Yorkshire pudding wraps. That sounds interesting, that, doesn't it? Right. So then you can grab it like that, roll it up, and you've got a yummy Yorkshire pudding wrap. I mean, isn't that interesting? And it's just so easy to do that. Giant Yorkshire puddings work brilliantly for that. And those are the ones we've always featured on our website whenever we've done Yorkshire puddings. That is good. That is real good. And that's just how simple it is to do one of these. So next time you're wondering, I fancy a Yorkshire pudding wrap, I've got leftovers from my roast dinner, then that is how it's done. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.